Once again, welcome friends. Today we will know benefits of milk and bananas. You should eat 2 to 3 bananas and a cup of fat-free milk to consume less than 1000 calories in a day. Drink a lot of water along with eating bananas. Bananas have 100 calories and milk has more than 18 calories. Therefore, to gain weight, you should take this diet 3 times a day. Only then you will be able to take around 900 calories. You can also use it to whiten teeth. Bananas have many nutrients like vitamin A, B, C and E, minerals, potassium, zinc, iron, etc., which will give you this big health benefit. Fat-free milk has less fat content. Drinking it reduces cholesterol. This milk does not contain fat. Drinking it after exercise strengthens the muscles. By taking banana and milk together, the body gets plenty of protein, vitamins, fiber and minerals. The nutrition we get from this diet gives energy to the body for 3 to 4 days. For more such unique information, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.